Next, we need to allow the user to indicate job type they are searching for, whether it's full-time, part-time, or a contract. Combining each, to do this we will be using checkboxes. To create checkbox, let's go ahead and type the following code. Again, we will start with entering our label, job type. The checkbox is an input, but for the type we have to specify checkbox. We need to give this input name just like all the other inputs we have worked with, and we will call it FT for the full time. Now we close the input tag and we will just quite full time a text next to the checkbox so the user knows which option they are selecting. And that's all there is. We just need to more because we have 3 checkboxes. So copy this and paste it and rename to this PT for the part-time and one more CT for the contract. So here just bit of formatting. So that's it for the job type. Next, we will do employment status. Employment status input are different than the job type, in that the radio buttons. Difference between the checkboxes and the radio buttons is that the checkbox allow you to check off multiple options, with the radio button user to be able to select only one option. So let's go ahead and enter our label, which is employment status. And then inside our column we will create input. This time the type will specify radio. The name will be called it e-status, short for the employment status. And the value, this is the value that's submitted to our PHP script. And we will just put the text employee next to the radio button. So once again the user does know which option they are selecting. To copy this block of code and paste 2 more times. Unemployed, student. You will notice for checkboxes we gave each checkbox a unique name. For radio buttons we give all 3 radio buttons same name, and this is known as radio group. So now that we have our checkboxes and radio buttons created, we can save this file and preview it on web browser. So that's what your form should look like up to until this point.